Ayaw ko sa bata. Hello! Hi, James. Is that your name? Hello. Okay, James. So, I will introduce myself first. I am teacher Madeline. I am from the Philippines. Okay, how about you? What is your name? Oh, that's a very nice name. Hello, James. Nice to meet you. Can you give me a shake hand? Hi, hello. Hi. Okay, so are you ready? Okay, okay, let's start our lesson. Okay, James, do you know what bird is this? Very good. It is an owl. Can owl fly? Yes, very good. Now, can you read the title of our lesson? Or can only birds fly? Yes, okay, we will know if only birds can fly. Okay, can you repeat? Can only birds fly? Okay, say it. Can only oh, only. Okay, let's proceed. Okay, so we will know if your answer is correct if only birds can fly. All right, let's go. Let's go, James. Okay, we are going to have a picture. Do you like that? Taking pictures. Okay, so I'm gonna put you here and I will be here. So, James, can you give me your best smile? Do you have a friend with you? I have here my friend Piggy. I have my Hi, Piggy. Okay, James, smile and we're gonna take a picture. Smile, James. Okay, thank you. Okay, now, James, do you have a ball? Do you have a ball at home? Yes? Yes. Do you play? Do you play ball? Wow, very good. Okay, how about this, James? Can you can you encircle the food that you like? Can you encircle the food that you like? Here, there are foods: orange, donut, and biscuit. Okay, which is your favorite? Can you encircle it, James, using this button? This one. Okay. Do you like to eat biscuit? Do you like? Yes, I like it too. Do you like to eat orange? Well, very good. That's nutritious and delicious. All right. Okay, let's proceed to the next slide. Oh, James, what animals do you know? Do you know any animals? Do you know this animal, James? Meow, meow. What animal is that? Well, very good. Very good. That's a cat. Do you have a cat at home? Yes. How about this? Woof, woof, woof. What animal is that? Wow, very good again. And because of that, I'll give you your first star. Very good. Now wow, you have a cat. Hi, cat. Hello, cat. James, what is the name of your cat? Level. Wow. Wow, what a very nice name. Do you also have a dog? Okay. Okay, James, your cat is so cute. Okay, so, wow, so cute. Cat, hello, hello. Okay, James. So, let us name the animals here, okay? Okay, okay, let's go. So, what is this? Very good. What is this? Very good again. I'm gonna hold this forever because you're always very good. This one, James, you know this? Oh, wow, very good. What do monkey eat? What fruit they like to eat? Wow, very good. That's very smart, James. Okay, this one. Wow, a tiger. How about this animal? A giraffe. It has a long neck. This one. Wow, very good again. How about this one? A bird. And its name is magpie. Say it. Magpie. Uh, magpie. Magpie. Okay, and this one, James. Oh, very good. A penguin. Okay, now, what animal do you like? Okay, you like cat, of course, because you have your cat at home. And your cat is so cute. Okay, you like a cat. I like also cat and also dog. Okay, let's proceed. Oh. Okay, James, what is this? Owl, very good. This one. Owls, how many? Very good. Wow, James, you are very good in even in constructing sentences. Really, you are very smart. And can you read this? Very good again. I'll give you 2 stars for that. One, 2. You now have 3 stars, James. Okay, so owls are birds. Can owls fly? Can owls fly? Very good. You're very smart. Okay. Now, James, this time I want you to click all the owls that you see on the screen. Okay? So, you are going to use the finger button here. Okay, you use the finger button here and click all the owls on the screen. Go! Okay, you. Oh, very good. Good job. How many owls are there? How many? Very, very, very good, James. You're amazing. So, I'll give you another 3 stars. 1, 2, 3. So, James, you now have 6 stars. Let's proceed. Okay, James, you now drag. Which of these wings are the wings of the owl? You drag it to the top. Okay, use the finger button. Oh, careful, careful. Wow, very good. Here's another star for you, James. 1 star. You now have 7 stars. Can you read this? Very good. Owls have got wings, so that is why they can fly, fly, fly. Okay. Okay. Ca- Can owls fly? Very good. Now let us look at the owl flying. A short video of the owl. Oh, the owl is lonely. Okay, so the wings. Ooh. Okay, so that's an owl flying. So, James, can you read this? Owl. Very good. Owls are birds. Okay. Owls have got wings. Oh, very good. Very good. Another star for James plus very good. 2 stars. You now have 9 stars. You're almost perfect because the perfect star is 20. Okay. Ooh. Oh, can you read this? Very good. Now, James, I have here a firefly. I have a firefly here. Okay. This one. Fireflies. Okay, so if more than one, fireflies. Firefly. Very good. So they are not birds. But can they fly? Can they fly? Very good. So they can also fly even if they are not birds. Okay. Now, James, it's time to click again all the fireflies on the screen. Click all the fireflies on the screen. Oh, very good. So how many fireflies are there? There are very good. Here's another star, two stars for James. You now have 11 stars. Very good. You're doing great. Okay, now you drag the wings of the firefly. You drag which of these is the wing or the wings of the firefly? Wow, good job and very good. Here's another star for James. You now have 13 stars. Okay, James, very good. Okay. Can fireflies fly? Very good. So fireflies can fly because of their wings. Okay, let us look at the fireflies flying. So, James, look at the tail of the firefly. It has light. So we can see them even if it is dark. Okay, James, have you seen a firefly? Yes, that's good. Okay. Okay, James. Okay, how many fireflies? Very good. Okay. So, fireflies. Okay. Very good. Very good. Very good. Two stars for James. You now have 15 stars. Good job. Okay, let's proceed, James. You're very intelligent. Okay. So they're flying. Okay, James. You are going now to match the words below to the pictures above. Okay? You are going to drag the owl to the picture of the owl, the wings, where's the wings, the firefly, the fly, and the birds. Okay, go! Wow. Wow! Great job! Great job, James! Very good. And because of that, I'm gonna give you another star. Two stars for James. You now have 17 stars. Very good, James. Okay, let's proceed. Okay, before that, can we read these words? Very good. Very good. Very good. Okay, let's proceed. So, James, you just answer me yes or no, okay? Okay, so are owls birds? Yes. Yes, owls are birds. Again, yes, owls are birds. Very good. Have owls got wings? Owls have got wings. Very good. Again, say one more time. Yes. Owls have got wings. Okay. Can owls fly? Oh, very good. Very good. Okay. Are fireflies birds? Oh, okay, no. Fireflies are not birds. Again, fireflies are not birds. Okay, one more time. Fireflies. Very good. So fireflies are not birds. Okay. Have fireflies got wings? Have fireflies got wings? Have wings. Okay, one more time. Fireflies have got wings. Very good. Okay. So, can fireflies fly? Very good again. I'll give you 1 star. So, you now have 18 stars. You just need 2 more. Okay, James, let's proceed. So, can you read this? Okay. Very good. Are again. Fireflies. Very good. Very good. Okay, so James, let us answer again the question. So, can only birds fly? Can only can only birds fly? Yes or no? No, very good because what do you call this? These are flat. Okay, but they can fly. So, can only birds fly? No. Very good, James, because fireflies can also fly. Okay, very good. I'll give you another 2 stars. So you are now perfect. You now have 20 stars, James. Very good. Okay, so Wow, James, we are now at the end of our lesson. It's very fast because you are so intelligent. Is this your first time to 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 study this lesson? Yes, but you are so intelligent. You are very smart, and it seems you're advanced to your level. Okay, since there's still time, James, can you give me another animal that can fly? Which of this can fly? Can this fly? Yes, this one. Okay, very good. So, James, thank you so much for your time, for being so participative, James. Thank you so much. Thank you. Bye bye, James. Bye bye. See you next time. Bye bye. Bye bye. Thank you. Thank you, Mommy. Thank, bye bye. Thank you. Okay, bye bye.